Hello guys, this is Dion. Welcome to my channel. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing. Okay, so today I just wanted to give you Happy New Year, by the way, guys. Happy New Year. We are in the new year and we are trying to start on the right note. Okay, so I'm making this video just to guide you on what to focus on and in what order you should follow. Okay, you don't have to be studying all the topics that you just see on YouTube. Okay, I'm talking about SMC here. Okay, so if you are already in SMC or you just started SMC or you're just struggling, I want to give you certain concepts that you need to focus on. Okay, so all right, let's just get into it. By the way, guys, please, try to be realistic with your goals. Okay, try to be realistic with your goals. And when you are learning something, one approach that really helped me is being humble and accepting that I'm actually struggling. Okay, and I'm trying to learn. That's one approach that has really even right now I still take it. Okay, if I see anything that is new, I'm not going to no, just because I'm profitable I should just throw it away or whatever. I'm always open to learning. I'm telling you, it doesn't matter how profitable you become. Okay, so please, I don't know what you are studying or whatever. If it's SMC, smart money concepts, please try to follow these simple rules. Okay, this is just a guide. You can treat it as a guide or just some sort of tips, but I'm giving you the topics that you need to focus on and what order you should follow. Okay, all right, so let's just get right into it. It's not going to be a long video. Okay, so first you need to do pullbacks, guys. Pullbacks, this is the foundation. Okay, pullbacks is the foundation. It's the foundation of everything that you are going to learn in SMC. If you don't know pullbacks, you won't do inducements, you won't do a break of structures, market structure in general. You won't be able to do it without pullbacks. Okay, I've already made a video on pullbacks, but I'm trying to make some new videos on the same topics that I've already taught. I just want to be I just want them to be more in depth. Yeah. So after pullbacks, after pullbacks, you have to study inducement. Now, this is a topic that is being talked about in the comment section. This is what I've seen a lot of a lot of comments on inducement. Okay, so inducement, guys, just to give, I already have a video on inducement, but just to give you an idea, inducement, we are just talking about pullbacks where retail traders are going to enter and be trapped. Okay, that's inducement. Pullbacks where traders will be induced to enter wrong trades. That's inducement. Okay, I'll try to make maybe I didn't explain a lot, but just watch out for new videos. Okay, all right, so after inducement, now you go to market structure mapping. Market structure mapping. Under market structure mapping, this is where you are going to find the break of structures, the change of character. Okay, that's market structure mapping. Market structure mapping, basically, you are trying to see where the market is going. Don't look at the market and just see, no, you just look at the market like this. You just open the chart and then be like, no, it's an uptrend, no, it's a downtrend. No, you have to be objective. Okay, the market doesn't care how bad your eyesight is. Okay, it doesn't care. Okay, so the only way you can be objective with the market is marking these the levels of break of structure, change of character. I know right now you want me to mark something right here, but no, I'm not going to mark anything. This is just a guide. Okay, I'm just showing you what you need to focus on. Okay, so after market structure, then you can do point of interest. Point of interest, this is where you do order blocks, fair value gaps, order flow. Okay, it's very straightforward. This one is very straightforward. Point of interest is just an area where you are trying to take a trade. As the name suggests, okay, a point of interest. You are interested in this point because it's where it's an area that looks like a potential trade entry can happen. Okay, that's a point of interest. Okay, so after point of interest, then you look for what? Entry setups. Entry setups. Entry setups. Um, okay, here okay, I can give an example. I've seen a lot of you doing this. Okay, this is your point of interest, and then the market is moving like this. Let's say the market is just retracing. Okay, the market is just tracing, going back to your point of interest. Now, this is where you mess up. The moment the market hits your point of interest, you want to enter the market, you want to enter a trade. This is where you mess up. Okay, so this is where entry setups come in. All right, the market, when the market reaches your point of interest, you don't just enter, you look for an entry setup. This is going to give you a proper risk management. Okay, and it's actually going to help you avoid unnecessary trades. What I mean by that is, if you don't see an entry setup in the point of interest, you simply don't enter. Okay, the market can just go all the way through this. It can go right through this point of interest. You didn't enter the trade, so it doesn't matter. Okay, you only lose money if you actually took a trade. Okay, the reason you feel like you are losing something is because you have that gambling approach to trading. You are not losing anything. Okay, sometimes you feel like the market is running away from you and you can't see an entry setup. Let it run. You are not losing anything. Okay, don't force any trades. Okay, so this is where entry setups come in. Now, as you have noticed, I haven't said anything about daily bias yet. Okay, not that the daily bias is not important. The daily bias is very important. I use it every day. Every time I open the chart, I look at the daily bias. Okay, sometimes I don't look at it because I already know where I am. Okay, because every day I have to look at the chart, and the daily bias moves very slow. And if I'm already in some sort of point of interest, I already know where I am, unless it moved way too fast in the last 7 hours or so, or 8 hours or so. So the daily bias is going to make a lot of sense if you master these things, especially these first three. Okay, the daily bias is very useless. I'm telling you, if you don't know these things, you are going to lose a lot of money. I've seen a lot of traders trying to uh, like just learn daily bias and treat it as some sort of holy grail. Like you actually hit the jackpot because you now know daily bias. Guys, the daily bias only makes sense when you know these things. Let's say you're already in a point of interest in a daily bias, or you actually know where the market is going. Where exactly are you going to enter? If you don't know these things, where exactly are you going to enter? It's very easy. Daily bias is very easy to understand when you master these things. Okay, so guys, I just wanted to give you this simple. I know it may sound like a joke somehow to some of you, but guys, this is serious. Okay, this is very very serious. Take this as an official notice, okay, from DEONTRADES. Please just try. You know these things. You don't even necessarily have to like believe me or anything. Just try it on your charts. Okay, I don't know what you trade: crypto, synthetic indices, currencies, us 13 as whatever. Just go back, try to look for these things. Okay, don't try to look for all of these in one day, unless you started SMC a long time ago and you've already mastered uh a lot of these things. Okay, some of you are just missing certain elements. You already know SMC, but it's just small elements that you are missing. Okay, and some of you have actually mastered all of this, but you just don't have discipline and patience, and that's something I can never teach you. Okay, only the market can teach you that. If you just choose to wake up and say, you know what, I've had it, this stop loss is way too big for me, let me put the lowest stop loss uh that I can enter, and then whatever money I can make, it's fine. Okay, as long as I'm making progress. That's how you develop patience and discipline. You don't just increase your stop loss. Okay, so guys, that's all I wanted to just give you in this video. Look out for new videos on all of these topics and a lot more. There are actually other topics, but these are the most important. Okay, so it's a new year. I don't want you to be all over the place searching for stuff that is not even necessary. Okay, just concentrate on this and then we'll talk. All right, guys, happy new year, and well, happy trading. Until next time, stay safe.